Hello everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing great. The latest circular for Chinese government scholarship type A has been published for Bangladeshi students. We believe this notice has also been published in other countries. So we advise applicants from other countries such as India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nigeria, etc. check the Chinese Embassy website and Ministry of Education website in your country. You will get the announcement for Chinese Government Scholarship Type A 2026 there. Today I will discuss this announcement especially for Bangladeshi applicants. Previous years, this announcement published in Ministry of Education Bangladesh website. But this year it's different. Now they publish the announcement in Chinese Embassy Bangladesh website. In our today's video, I will show you where you can find the announcement and what information you need to know. So let's get started. First, search for China Embassy in Bangladesh in any browser. Then enter the official website of the Chinese Embassy. Now let's scroll down on the home page. You will see several options here. Under the press release section, there is an announcement regarding the Chinese government scholarship type A. Click on the link to enter the announcement. Now we can see the main announcement. Under this scholarship, a student can apply for bachelor degree program, master's degree program, PhD program, and 1 year Chinese language program. Now let's see the facilities provided by the scholarship. First, full tuition fees, which means all tuition fees will be fully covered by Chinese government scholarship and a student will not need to pay any tuition fees. Second, it includes on-campus accommodation, meaning the university will provide accommodation free of charge. Third, comprehensive medical insurance. This means your medical insurance will be fully covered each year under the Chinese government scholarship. Next, monthly living allowance. Bachelor applicants receive 2500 RMB. Master's student receive 3000 RMB. PhD student receive 3500 RMB per month. Finally, the scholarship covers international round-trip airfare. This means a student will be provided with a plane ticket for their initial journey to China and another ticket for their return home after completing their studies. Regarding the application procedure, applicants must complete the application through the Chinese Government Scholarship Council website. Bangladeshi students who wish to apply for the CSC Type A scholarship must submit their applications by January 10, 2026. Finally, if you need any further information, you can contact the provided phone number for assistance. Now I believe you have an idea about CC Type A application through Embassy. There is one point I want to mention. CC Type A application period is very short, so try to submit your application within the deadline. In our next video, we will show you how to fill up the Chinese government scholarship application form. So that's all about today's video. Stay with us and see you in our next episode.